Okay, students, welcome you all into the Kids Infinite Learning. I'm Pihu Rajmalani. Today I'm going to assist you for your amazing class, which is very special for today. Happy Republic Day to you all, everyone. Am I audible? Give me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay.
And
So
happy Republic
now,
Day.
thank you. Your voice is not coming, dear. Sister, okay. Great. Keep it up. Girisha and sister. Great. I'll keep it aside, the extra bread edges, I'll keep it aside. And I'll use tissue to clean my bowl. Or you can use any kitchen cloth. बोर्ड को क्लीन करने के लिए आप कोई भी टिश्यू पेपर या फिर किचन क्लॉथ यूज कर सकते हैं. ये हो गया हमारे सैंडविच का ब्रेड का पार्ट. लेट्स कम हियर. I'll apply now which color? Which is left? Come on, tell me.
Orange.
Very good. So I'll apply orange now. So smart kids.
क्रेडिट
letters like this.
हार्दिक की चाची को क्रेडिट जाएगा इसका.
Yes?
हार्दिक के चाची को क्रेडिट जाएगा इस आइडिया का.
अरे वाह, credit to him, clap for him. Talia, great. I'm so happy your parents are supporting your kids. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, I would like